Good morning. It is February 1st. Temperature is currently minus 5 degrees Celsius out. It's been a little while since we were on the bus, and I've had quite a bit of work done on the bus. Primarily, I had this done. This is where my propane tank is. I had a company run some lines because I didn't trust myself in doing it. Because this is very tricky to do. One mistake and it could cause the bus to explode, so I don't want that. Inside, this is what it looks like. There's a valve here for the stove. There's a valve here for a fridge if I ever get one. A little below that right there, there's another valve for the furnace. And that one right there, that's a valve for the hot water tank. So each one has its own valve, so I don't always have to have propane running all the time to an appliance I'm not using. But today on the bus, no, I'm not cleaning up because I'm working back here. I'm going to be doing some plumbing, which will be interesting. I have this gravity fed water and city water contraption, which would be mounted outside over there. So I'm going to be running PEX lines. I have 100 feet of the white, probably a little overkill, and 50 feet of red, probably a little overkill. So from that box, which will be mounted over there, on the inside I'm running some white PEX along the wall, coming right across in front here. There's this valve, which will be in the off position, so water won't flow that way when I'm using the pump. There's another valve over here, which I could put on the off position, because if I have city water coming in, this one will be on, it'll hit that, go to the off, and that's why there's the T. I hope all this makes sense. When you see it, hopefully you'll understand. Then from the water pump, I'm going to have a line coming this way, going through there. There'll be a T there, so cold water can go that way to this kitchen sink. Then cold water will go through here and into the hot water tank area. It's going to T in there and come out over here. The top hole is for the hot water, the bottom hole is for cold water. So yeah, that's the plan. So I'll set you up over here, and then we'll get to work. One thing I didn't show you is when the water line tees over here, it is going to come up the wall, and through one of those holes is going to be the cold water, then the hot water, which will come to under the sink here. No, maybe I'll do that one first, because that'll be the easiest one to do. Something like that work? Yeah, I guess so. So Oh yeah, easy unscrew my butt. I'm choosing PEX because I don't know how to solder. my work, I didn't notice that the camera had shut off. So, this is what that looks like now. Now the next part I'm going to have to do is work in here. I'm not sure if I can find a place to put you so you can watch this happen. Because I'll be sitting right here doing the work. Give me a few minutes to see if I can find a way to set you up so you can see this. Be right back. How does that work for you? Yeah, I think that works. Alright, so what I'll be doing in here with this white line, which is the cold line coming from the water pump, I'm going to bring it up here and it feeds into this cold line, to this cold intake here. So this is going to come up, come this way, tee off here because there's a cold line this way and a cold line that way, and a cold into the intake for the hot water tank. The red line is going to come up here, come back, tee down because this is going to be a hot water, and this is the hot output, so the hot water will come out and come this way. Did I make sense, or did I just jibber jabber some more? I'm not going to finish off this area just yet. I'm going to wait till I get the proper connections for this hot water tank here. Then when I get that in place, then I'll finish off this. So for now, I'm just going to go inside the bathroom here and finish off the bathroom plumbing. So I'll pause you again and see if I can set you up somehow so you can see what I'm doing. I doubt it. I'm going to be under a counter. Ouch. Like, unless you're way up here somehow. I could pull that off. Yeah, give me a few minutes to set you up and then we'll get going. Well, this is interesting. Getting a little crowded in here now. So now I have to move you out of the way so I can finish off this little toilet area. So I'll shut you off for now and see where we go from there. Be right back. As I mentioned earlier, I have this gravity fill and city water compartment here, which will be going back here somewhere. So I'm just going to get these white lines going, connect up all that towards the pump. Okay, let's go through this. That's the water pump. I have to get a proper connection from here to here. So with the valve, with this valve open, this valve closed, the water will come this way, stop, then go through the water line. One going to that sink, one going to the hot water tank, and the other two sinks over there. So if this valve is closed, this valve is open, and I have city water coming in. City water come through here, be stopped by this, then be forced through the same way. I like that. That works. So over here, as mentioned before, I need to get a four-way for this one, because this is the line coming in, comes up, this is for the shower, this goes out towards the sink, the bathroom sink and the toilet. So I need the four-way to go into this cold water input. The hot water out will have a three-way. So it'll come out, come this way, and connect over here for the bathroom sink. This one will come over here. I have valves on these ones in case I have to do work on the shower and I don't want to shut off all my water. So the hot water out will come this way, come down through the wall, that way to the kitchen sink. So there's the hot water valve here, there's the cold water valve there, comes down, and there's the valve for the toilet. The only thing I didn't show you was putting on these valves. I haven't done them yet. I'm just about to. That'll just take me 5 minutes. But otherwise, that's most of the plumbing done. The only other thing to do for the plumbing will be putting in the kitchen sink and the kitchen tap, which I don't have yet. Putting in the countertop here so I can put in my bathroom sink and my bathroom tap. Then over here, in this mess somewhere, where my shower is, I have to set up the shower valve. Oh, that's bright. Oh, I got dark real quick. Where am I? There I am. Nope, there we go. Okay, so that's it for today. Until next time, have a good one.